Hey everyone, welcome back to another TxePrep Introduction to Algebra video. And in this video, we're going to talk about distributing. So what exactly is distributing? So first, let's look at the distributive property that you must have learned before, which basically states that A times B plus C is going to be the same thing as AB plus AC. So basically you're distributing the multiplication to both of the terms inside the parentheses. So now we're going to see how we can apply that to algebra. And then we're going to check how we can use that to factor out things. So let's say that I had an expression something like 2 times 3x plus 4x. So right off the bat, what you'd think to do is do 3x plus 4x, and that's 7x. So that would just be the same thing as 2 plus 7x, which is just 2 times 7, 14x. And now let's try distributing it and see what happens. So this is going to be the same thing as 2 times 3x plus 2 times 4x. And that's also 6x plus 8x, which is 14x. So it seems like the distribution works. But what if we had more complex terms inside of here? So let's say instead of just linear terms or just 1x, what if I had, like, let's say 3x times 4x squared plus 2? You can't really combine the inside over here, so that means you have to resort to using this distributive property. So let's try that out. What we do is 3x times 4x squared plus 3x times 2. And that's the same thing as 12x cubed, because remember how the exponent rules work, plus 6x. And that's our final answer for the distribution of this. And remember that distributing can go more than 2 terms inside the parentheses. Let's say I wanted to have 4x times 5x squared plus 3x plus 2. What I would do here is basically the same principle as before, except we just apply it to one more term. So it'd be 4x times 5x squared plus 4x times 3x plus 4x times 2. So that would just be 20x cubed plus 12x squared plus 8x. And now I hope you guys understand how distribution works and how maybe we can apply it with algebraic terms and variables. And in the next video, we'll start looking at factoring and how we can use that.